SPS Corporate is a rapidly growing corporation established in 1994, operating well-respected companies that are diversified into some sector of businesses. Consumer Good Division of Tissue Paper, Industrial Good Division of Brown Paper and Packaging, Construction Division of Light Brick and Contractor, Property Division of Warehouse, Offices and Industrial Estate, Engineering and Services Division of Power Plant and Coal Trading. Tissue paper has become an essential need in people's daily life, especially for those who care about cleanliness. The usage of tissue paper will continue to increase with the changes of lifestyles and tendencies to use more disposable products. Nowadays, tissue paper is considered as fast-moving consumer goods, not only used for daily needs, but also to clean at various places, like at work, restaurants, hotels, and some industries. The process of producing tissue paper starts with nursery of certain type of plant, such as acacia or eucalyptus. The seedlings were nurtured for 3 months before planted in the plantation area. It takes 4 to 15 years to grow the trees before harvesting time and replanting with the new seedlings. After harvesting and logging, the wood log undergoes the chipping process, where it's peeled and processed into wood chips. The wood chips digested or cooked to make pulp. The pulp cleaned, washed, screened, and bleached using a chemical process to adjust the color and brightness to the desired results. This process produces wet pulp that later dried and become the finished dry pulp before it is processed and sent to the paper-making industries. PT Sopanusa Tissue and Packaging Serrana Success manufactures tissue paper with export market oriented. The companies produce parent rolls in various grammage that can be used by converters, sell to distributors, even to end customers, under our own brand and also private label. The expansion, which is located in Sukoanyaranoro, was incorporated in 2012 under the entity of PT Sun Paper Source. Our passion and business have been tested for 4 decades, started in 1973 when Mr. Supersono and his brothers founded PT Serbaya Mecabox, manufacturer of carton box and brown paper. In 1988, Mr. Supersono and his wife, Mrs. Lindratini, initiated and expanded into hospitality business, managing hotel resorts and entertainment. In 1994, together with his son Mr. Dermawan, he founded SPS Corporate. Started with PT Sopanusa, an export-oriented tissue paper manufacturer. As CEO of SPS Corporate, Mr. Dermawan transformed the corporation from a family business into a professional and transparent management system.
Mr. Suparsono, my father, has entrusted me with this corporation, so I will devote myself to follow his value and footsteps. SPS corporate vision is to build a global organization that continuously grows through God favor, leave legacy, and always be the channel of blessing for the stakeholders.
Praise the Lord. It has been a great blessing that SPS Corporate has been progressing significantly until now, as we continue to believe and commit to our ways, strive, perseverance, and sustenance in every business that we do. We are now inspired to enter a new chapter of growth.
We develop competency in human capital, placing the right person in the right place and in the right time, building the right attitudes and striving spirit in all levels of position through continuous training and with result-driven culture. In commercial area, We strive to build long-term fruitful partnerships with all company stakeholders. In the production area, we pursue excellence through innovative and efficient production management in order to achieve consistent, satisfactory quality and deliver the best services. The process of our tissue production, following GMP procedures and international standard process, it begins with mixing the dry pulp to make pulp slurry. The pulp slurry then refined, so it's separated into individual fibers, adding some predefined composition of chemical into the fibers. The mixture then run into the head box, which distributed uniformly into the wire and fell to drain the excess water and pre-shape the paper. Next, it's sent to the shoe press or suction press, where the paper are pressed to further reduce the water content and smooth out the surface. It goes through Yankee to dry completely. A pulp reel is used to release the tissue paper from the Yankee and rolled into parent rolls. We produce up to 3-ply of virgin pulp, mixed, recycled grades, and brown tissue paper, integrated with converting line to produce various tissue paper finished products. The converting line cut, fold, or rewind the sheets into custom sizes and packed according to customers' requirement. Some of the tissue paper finished products are facial, napkins, towel, toilet roll, pocket tissue, and others under the brand Pulpies, Montes, and Favor. Our company also produce customers' private label products. We commit to quality and hygiene as our priority to protect consumers and environment. A safe and well-controlled waste management system operated by experts is part of our commitment to the environment, proven by numerous national and international certificates. With the Forest Stewardship Council or FSC certificate, we claim that the materials we used are coming from well-managed forestry to protect the environmental sustainability. Excellent and qualified human capital are the company's most valuable assets. We continue to develop the competencies in our human capital, building the right attitudes with result-driven culture. PT Sopanusa Tissue and PT Sun Paper Source currently are the second largest tissue paper manufacturer in Southeast Asia. We dedicate to continuously focus on world-class customer services to our global customers in more than 70 countries covering 5 continents. Our aim is to be a multinational company with sincerity, excellence, and accountability as the core values. We are SPS.